okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Adrian, you okay?
Are y'all okay?
Yeah.
Everybody's all right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You okay, dude?
We took the tree. We got a souvenir. It's okay. You all right, little man?
Hey, suck at you, Adrian.
Yeah. No.
What?
I got it, dude.
I got it too.
Dude, first thing I did. Man, you got scratches on your face? You got scratches on your face? No? I thought I seen you scratches.
That was pretty epic.
That's the first time that's ever happened.
Hopefully the first and last.
I feel bad for the guys in front. That was pretty cool.
Huh?
That was pretty cool.
They're coming over here, so they might.
Oh man, I'm running out of battery already, dude. I'm running out of battery already.
Dang it, crowd ready.